Dear students, welcome back to the online classes. We are discussing with the unit arithmetic progression. With continuation, we will be solving the exercise questions. Students, the question is check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2. We should check minus 150 whether it belongs to this AP. How we can check? We should find out the value of n by using nth term formula. If the value of n is a natural number, then minus 150 belongs to this AP, otherwise it does not belong to this AP. Students, the given AP is 11, 8, 5, 2 and the list goes on. Now what is A equals? The first term A equals 11, then D equals common difference A2 minus A1. That is, what is A2? That is 8 minus A1 is 11. So what we get? D equals 8 minus 11 is minus 3. We get D equals what? Minus 3. Now what is the last term or nth term? We should consider this as nth term, that is minus 150. Nth term, the last term is minus 150. Now we should find out the value of n using nth term formula, that is an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute all these values in this formula. What is the value of an? That is minus 150, which is equal to value of a is 11 plus what is the value of n? We should find out. Keep as it is. Now what is the value of d? It is minus 3. Now shift this plus 11 to LHS. What it becomes? Minus 11. So plus 11, after shifting it becomes minus 11, which is equal to the remaining term is n minus 1 into minus 3. Now minus 150 minus 11. Since there are we are adding two negative integers, we should add and put bigger number sign. We get minus 161, which is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 161 as it is. Now multiply this minus 3 into n, that is minus 3n. Then minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. Minus into minus plus, 3 ones are 3. That is minus 3 into n, then minus 3 into minus 1. Then shift this plus 3 to LHS. What you get is minus 161 minus 3, which is equal to minus 3n. Minus 161 minus 3 is minus 164, which is equal to minus 3n. Now divide both the sides by minus 3. What you get is minus 164 divided by minus 3, which is equal to minus 3 divided by minus 3 will cancel out. You get n. Now n and negative and negative sign will cancel out. We get n equals 164 divided by 3. You cannot divide 164 by 3. That means it is not a natural number. Therefore, minus 150 is not a term of the given AP. Therefore, minus 150 is not a term of the given AP. Students, let me repeat again. We should check whether minus 150 belongs to the given AP. How to check? We should find out the value of n such that if it is a natural number, that means minus 150 belongs to that AP, otherwise it does not belong, because we got n as 164 divided by 3, which is a fraction, which is not a natural number. Hence minus 150 is not the term of the given AP. Students, we have solved the sixth question, which you got minus 150 is not a term of the AP because we have got n as a fraction. In the same way, try to check 301 is a term of the AP 5, 11, 17, 23. Please try this problem by yourself. Students, moving to next question. Find 31st term of an AP. We should find 31st of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. They have given the data as 11th term as 38 and the 16th term as 73. Using this data, we should find out the 31st term. Now using this given data, find out the value of A and D. Using that, find out the 31st term. Students, the given data is given 11th term A11 as 38. Now by using general form of AP, A11 can be written as A plus 10D, which is equal to 38. I'll consider this as equation 1. Now 16th term is 73. Now that is A16, which is equal to 73. Now A16 can be written as A plus 15D, which is equal to 73. I'll consider this as equation 2. Now we have got two equations, two unknowns, that is A and D. Now subtract equation 2 minus equation 1 so that A and A will cancel out. We get the value of D. After getting the value of D, substitute in any one of the equation to get the value of A. Then you can find out 31st term. Now equation 2 minus equation 1. What is equation 2? A plus 15D, which is equal to 73. Equation 1 is A plus 10D, which is equal to 38. Now in the subtract hand, all the sign will be changed. That is, plus A becomes minus A, plus 10D becomes minus 10D, plus 38 becomes minus 38. Now plus A minus A will cancel out. 15D minus 10D is 5D, which is equal to 73 minus 38 is 13 minus 8 is 5, 6 minus 3 is 3. We got 5D equals 35. Now D equals 35 divided by 5. We get D as 5 ones are 5 sevens are. D equals 7. We got the value of D as 7. Students, now substitute the value of D equals 7 in any one of the equation. Find out the value of A. Now we will substitute D equals 7 in equation 1. Now put D equals 7 in equation 1. Equation 1 becomes A plus 10 times D. D is what? 7, which is equal to 38. 10 sevens are 70. A plus 70 equals 38. Now shift plus 70 to RHS, it becomes minus 70. A equals 38 minus 70. Now you get A equals minus 32. Because you are subtracting a bigger number from the smaller number, put negative sign and do subtraction. Students, now we got the value of A and D. Now we can find out the 31st term. That is A31 equals what? A plus 30D. A31 equals A plus 30 times D. A31 equals, what is the value of A? A value is minus 32 plus 30 times the value of D is 7. Now A31 equals minus 32 plus 30 into 7 is 210. Now A31 equals 210 minus 32. You get as, you have to subtract 210 minus 32, you get plus, bigger number sign plus, you get 178. So the 31st term is 178. Friends, we have solved the 7th question by finding the 31st term. In the same way, try these two problems. Find 50th term when third term is 5 and the 7th term is 9. And the second question, find 31st term when the second term is 21 and the 10th term is 5, use the same step as above this question and try to solve this question. Students, now moving to 8th question. An AP consists of 50 terms. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which the third term is 12 and the last term is 106. That is AN equals 106. We should find out the 29th term. So 50 terms means N equals 50. Then third term is 12. That is A3 equals 12. Then last term L or AN equals 106. Using this data, we should find out the 29th term. Students, now the given data given, an AP consists of 50 terms, that is N equals 50. So the number of terms is what? 50. Now then given A3 equals 12. Now using general form of AP, A3 can be written as A plus 2D, which is equal to 12. Consider this as equation 1. Now the last term is 106. That is AN equals 106. The last term, that is AN equals 106. Now convert this into equation. That is, what is the nth term formula? A plus N minus 1 into D, which is equal to 106. Now we know that number of terms is 50. Substitute this value of 50 in this equation. We get A plus 50 minus 1 into D, which is equal to 106. What is 50 minus 1? 49. So A plus 49D, which is equal to 106. Consider this as equation 2. Now we have got two equations, two unknowns A and D. Now subtract equation 2 minus equation 1, which is same as previous problem. To cancel out A, find out the value of D. After finding the value of D, substitute in either of the equation to get the value of A. Using the value of A and D, we can find out 29th term. Students, now equation 2 minus equation 1. What is equation 2? A plus 49D equals 106. Equation 1 is A plus 2D equals 12. Now in the subtrahend, all the sign will be changed. Plus A becomes minus A, plus 2D becomes minus 2D, plus 12 becomes minus 12. Plus A minus A will cancel out. Now 49D minus 2D is 47D. Now 106 minus 12, we get 94. Now D equals 94 divided by 47. D equals 47 ones are 47 twos are. So we get D as what? 2. We got the common difference, D equals 2. Now substitute D equals 2 in equation 1 or equation 2 to get the value of A. Put D equals in equation 1. Put D equals 2 in equation 1. Equation 1 becomes A plus 2 times D is, that is 2, which is equal to 12. 2 2s are 4. A equals 12, 2 2s are 4 plus 4. After shifting, it becomes minus 4. A equals 12 minus 4 is 8. Now we got the value of A and D. Now we should find out 29th term, that is A29 equals A plus 28D. A29 equals A plus 28 times D. Otherwise you can use the nth term formula. Now A29 equals, what is the value of A? It is 8 plus 28 times D is what? 2. A29 equals 8 plus 28 into 2 is 56. A29 equals 8 plus 56 is 64. Now we got the 29th term as 64. Students, moving to ninth question. If the third term and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8. Third term is 4 and the ninth term is minus 8 respectively. Which term of this AP is 0? The question is same as previous, where using these two equation, that is A3 equals 4, A9 equals minus 8, find out the value of A and D. Now using that value of A and D, which term of the AP is 0? That becomes AN equals 0. Using this, we should find out the value of N. Try this yourself. Students, hopefully you have enjoyed the class. Try all these questions and practice this question by yourself. Until the next video. Thank you for watching the video. If you find my videos are useful, subscribe, like and share. Thank you again.